This example looks like any of the other examples we've been doing, but there is a twist. We're given the initial velocity, 0 miles per hour. We're also given the final velocity, 60 miles per hour north. We also know the time, 6.1 seconds. So you might think we just plug into the equation. The final velocity is 60 miles per hour. The initial velocity, 0 miles per hour. The time, 6.1 seconds. So the acceleration is 60 miles per hour minus 0 miles per hour over 6.1 seconds, right? Wrong. We have a terrible problem in our equation. Our time units don't agree. At the top of the fraction, our time units are in hours. But at the bottom of the fraction, the time unit is in seconds. We can't have that. We can't do math unless the units agree. So this equation just isn't right. We can't use it. We can't use it because the time units don't agree. All right then, what we're going to have to do is convert one of our time units. To me, the easiest time unit to convert is 6.1 seconds. We'll convert that into hours. So we'll take 6.1 seconds and we'll put it over 1. Then we'll multiply by 1, but the expression we'll use for 1 comes from a conversion relationship. You learned previously that 1 hour is 3,600 seconds, so that's a conversion relationship. In order to convert seconds to hours, I need to get rid of seconds. So I'm going to have to put 3,600 seconds on the bottom of the fraction, and I'm going to put 1 hour on the top. When I do that, seconds cancel, and I'm left with hours. So 6.1 seconds is the same as 0.00169 hours. All right, let's put that number up at the top, so I'll realize that the time is not only 6.1 seconds, but also 0.00169 hours. Now I get to start all over again. We know the final velocity is 60 miles per hour and the initial velocity is 0 miles per hour, but the time we're going to use now in our equation is 0.00169 hours. That way, our time units agree. Well, I have to do the subtraction first, so the acceleration is 60 miles per hour over 0.00169 hours. Now that's the same thing as 60 miles per hour divided by 0.00169 hours. If I group the numbers together, 60 divided by 0.00169 is 35503. Then the unit is miles per hour divided by hour. We've gone over this kind of division a couple times, so I'm not going to drag through it this time. Miles per hour divided by hour is miles per hour squared. So the acceleration is 35503 miles per hour squared. Now, it turned out to be positive. There's no negative sign in there. So that means the acceleration is directed in the same direction as the motion. Therefore, the acceleration is 35503 miles per hour squared north.